Welcome to today's video, and I will be talking about hands. Yeah! I'm sorry, cringe. And how to draw them in funky, controversial ways to utilize arting them decently or efficiently. Anyways, now I'm by no means an expert, but I definitely had my fair share of drawing lots of hands, lots of them. Anyway, so a good way to deconstruct hands is obviously you want to break them down in shapes. Firstly, if you're a beginner, break them down into the simple shapes. This is pretty rudimentary. You'll hear this kind of stuff in kindergarten or elementary school, whatever. And then build back on top of the shape using references, blah, blah, blah. But my controversial take on how to draw hands would be more of see them, view them as if they're their own characters, like a mini character. So you have 5 appendages, main appendages to the body: head, arms, and legs, right? Well, you have 5 phalanges to your hands. So view them as micro characters to whatever you're drawing. I know it sounds pretty goofy, but if you take that stand on it or that viewpoint, then you can have just as much emotion as you in the hands as you can the character's own face, if that makes sense. Hands can exhibit so much emotion, personality, and story to the characters they belong to. Now, my last tip is the weirdest one, but this is when I say try not to use so many references. So if you're just starting out, yeah, use references. Please learn the anatomy of hands, the metacarpals, and the tendons and ligaments and knuckles and all that good stuff. But after a while, and you start becoming familiar with the forms and shapes and structures, then lean away from the dependency, and that way your brain can be more wired to have that convincing output every time, so you don't have to have that dependency on references, that you can just start relying on the muscle memory that you've built. So that is what I want you to start doing, building those data caches in your brain by practice referencing, by studying real life, looking at your own hands, building up those data caches, so then that way you don't even have to think about it anymore. You can just start drawing up hands and it'll be second nature to you. My last tip can apply to art as a general. Just a friendly reminder: have fun, take your time, don't worry about it, don't stress. It'll come when it needs to. Just relax, because that more. But hopefully you found some of what I said helpful and informative. This is my first art tip video, and I'm still not used to speaking into a mic and talking to myself. Well, I talk to myself all the time, but anyway, I'm not this style, so hopefully, I'm still learning, but yeah, I hope you liked it. But thank you to everybody who watched and possibly supporting my channel. Thank you so much.
Hot diggity dog! This place is magnificent. An embarrassment of riches, as they say.